Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Achieve a perfectly well-done steak with a delicious crust using your air fryer. This method is surprisingly easy and remarkably efficient, making it perfect for busy weeknights. You can finally say goodbye to dry, overcooked results and hello to tender perfection. We'll show you exactly how to get that ideal finish, ensuring your steak is juicy and flavorful, not tough. Start with a 1-inch thick steak. This thickness ensures consistent and even cooking. Next, pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step promotes a fantastic, crispy sear. Finally, season generously with salt, fresh black pepper, and your preferred steak rub. Don't be shy with the seasoning, it truly adds so much flavor to every bite. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes before adding the steak. Then, place your generously seasoned steak in a single layer inside the basket. Ensure there's no overlap. Cook it for 10 to 12 minutes total, making sure to flip it halfway through the cooking process. This ensures even browning on both sides and a beautiful crust. Ensure your steak reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This confirms it's perfectly well done. Always use a reliable meat thermometer to check the thickest part for complete accuracy. This step is crucial for both safety and optimal texture. Afterward, rest your cooked steak on a cutting board for at least 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping every bite tender and flavorful. Now, it's time to enjoy your juicy, well-done air-fried steak with your favorite delicious sides. It pairs beautifully alongside roasted vegetables, a fresh crisp salad, or creamy mashed potatoes. This straightforward method consistently delivers a flavorful, tender steak without any guesswork. You've just mastered the art of well-done steak in your air fryer, ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.